Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, how are you, Zahid? Fine, okay. Yes, today we gonna to start Nurani Qaida, that is the base of the Holy Quran. So this is essential to understand and to know that from where we have to pronounce, we have to read out every letter. So these are alphabetic letters of Arabic language. As you know that every language has alphabetic letter, like A English, for example, A, B, C, T till Z, Z. So similarly Arabic language like Alif, then till Ya. So there are 28 letters. So we have to know today how we have to pronounce them. As you know that Arabic language is not a common language like other language, because other language there is no difference when we pronounce little bit different letters, but Arabic language we have to pronounce specific letters from specific place. If we difference little bit, so the letters change. When the letter change, the meaning automatically changes. So this is the reason that we cannot get the goodnesses, we cannot get the blessing, as we know that Allah Almighty gives us blessings and goodnesses. When we pronounce one letter, Allah Almighty gives us 10 goodnesses. So then if we will read correctly the Holy Quran, then it will be possible, otherwise not. So to recite the Holy Quran correctly, it depends upon right pronunciation of alphabetic letter. So inshallah, let us start from beginning. Okay, now I teach you. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, Alif, we have to pronounce this while opening our mouth, like Alif. Then Ba, we have to pronounce this second one when, okay, second one is Ba. Its recognition is that it has one dot downside. It is its recognition. Every letter which has downside one dot, this will be automatically, this will be Ba. And from where we have to pronounce, when we will enclose our lips, then this will be pronounced Ba. Fully enclosing the lips, Ba, then this will be pronounced. The third one is Ta. So the Ta letter, it has, its recognition is this one is Ta. Its recognition is this, that it has two dot upside, Ta. It has two dot upside, and from where we have to pronounce it. So when our front corner of tongue will touch to the upside roots, teeth, upside teeth, root, when this will touch, when our tongue's front corner will touch to the upside root teeth, so then this will be pronounced like Ta. So next one is Sa. Sa is a very soft letter. Its recognition is this, it has three dot upside. So a letter which has three dot upside and it has no three sides, so this will be automatically Sa. Very soft letter. From where we have to pronounce, the pronunciation place is when the front corner of tongue will be between the two jaws, two teeth, like upside and two side, third, second upside and downside, like tha. Very very softly, tha, tha. This will be pronounced tha. And this one is jim. So its recognition is this: it has something downside, one dot. When this will join with, this will be joined with next letter, so that dot will be underside of the jim. So this will be the symbol of jim, that it has one dot and its symbol like jim, like this. And its pronunciation place is this, that when the flat condition of our tongue, like mid of tongue will touch to the upper side of our mouth, so then this will be pronounced like jim, jim. So this is simple letter jim, like in English J. So this is jim. So second line is this. This is ha. Ha is, it is throat letter, as you know that there are 6 throat letter in Arabic language. So they have specific place to pronounce them. Like 2 letter are mid throat letter, 2 letter upper throat part of letter, and 2 letters are downside of the throat. So there are total 6 letters which belong to our throat. So first one is ha. Ha is the mid of the throat letter, ha. This will be pronounced when we will enclose our throat, ha, like it has special sound, ha, ha. Okay, Zahid, are you understanding? Yes. Okay, ha, ha. This is this will be pronounced when we will enclose our throat, and this will be very very light, ha, ha. It has special sound. So its recognition is this, that it has no dot. It has no dot. So while jim has one dot, ha has, like we right now we have, I have to read it. So its recognition is this: jim, ha, ha. The 3 letter have one. Jim has one dot downside, ha has one dot upside, while ha has no dot. So this is the difference between the among them. So ha has one dot upside. Mostly this is green color, like in this book the whole letters which are written in green color, they are bold. So ha is bold letter, ha. So it is also throat letter, but it is upper throat letter, like ha. It will be pronounced from the upper part of throat and the downside part of our tongue. It's like the root of tongue will touch to the upper side of mouth, then this will be pronounced ha, ha. It also has special sounds. Mostly the kids of USA, UK, they read like ka, ka. That is wrong. It has special voice pronunciation like ha, ha. We have to pronounce from here. So next one is dal. Its recognition is this: its shape is like this, and it has no dot. So dal and ta. So like upper side we have read ta, like this one. So ta and dal, they has same pronunciation place, like front corner of tongue will touch to the upside root teeth. So then this will be pronounced so little bit different, like dal and ta, but pronunciation place is same, dal, dal. Okay, next one is dal. So the dal is dal, its recognition is this, that it has Okay, its recognition is this: it has one dot down upside, and like upper side letter, you see there, this is sa, this is that is very very soft. This is also same case here, this is also very very soft. The tongue when will be between the two jaws, upper side teeth and downside teeth, ral, ral, this will be then, this will be pronounced ral, ral, very very softly, ral, ral. The tongue will come little bit outside of the teeth, so from the lip side, so this will be then will be pronounced like ral, ral, very very softly. And the next one is ra. As you know that it is green color letter, it is bold letter. So ra, it is also a bold letter, and its recognition is this, that it has no dot, ra. When pronunciation place is this, like when the front corner of tongue will touch to the root of very close to the root side, to the upside, very close to the root of front corner of front teeth, upside front teeth, ra, this will be pronounced ra, ra. It has special sound, ra. So next one is there is second line, third line, there is za. So za is sticky and hard letter against ral. Ral, it was very very soft, while za sticky and hard, za. Its pronunciation place is this, that when the tongue, corner of tongue will touch to the upside root, very close to the upside root teeth, so this will be pronounced then. And its recognition is this: it has one dot upside, while ra has no dot. Ra and za, they have same shape, but ra has no dot, za has one dot upside. Za, za, sticky, this is a hard letter, za. We have to emphasize, we have to forcefully we have to pronounce it, za. Okay, next letter is sin. Sin and za similar, something similar, like this is also sticky and hard letter, sin, sin. So its recognition is this, it has no dot, and pronunciation place is this, that when the corner will touch to the upside front teeth, that then this will be pronounced sin, sin, sin. So we have to practice. Sahid, are you understanding? Okay. So it has special sound like sin, sin. Okay. Next one is shin. So as you know, shin is also like shin, like gym. So the corner of tongue will touch to the mid part of our mouth, shin, shin, then this will be pronounced shin. So like sh double en, shin, shin, this it is its pronunciation place, shin, and its recognition is this: it has three dot upside, shin. Next letter we have here like sod. Sod is like sin, but it has it is sticky and bold letter, as you yes, sod. Sod is a bold letter and sticky letter, sod, sod, sod. Its pronunciation place of like the sin, similar, but this is bold. So as you know, the whole green color letter are bold in this book. So this is bold, and its recognition is this: it has no dot, while next letter it has one dot upside. As you know that this is dod. Some people pronounce it wad, wad, and some people dod, dod. So its pronunciation place is this: left corner of left side of tongue will touch to the left side of upper teeth, left side upper teeth. So then this will be pronounced like wad, wad. It has special sound, wad, wad, wad. So it has one dot upside, and this is a letter, very difficult letter to pronounce it. Okay, right now we have their fourth line, that is tho. This is also definitely a bold letter, tho, like ta. So pronunciation place is same, ta and tho, like front corner of teeth of of tongue will touch to the root of front upside root teeth. Tho, this will be pronounced tho. Some people say it do, do. That is wrong. Tho, like ta and tho. Ta is light, tho is bold. Just this is different between them. Ta is light, tho is bold. Tho, tho, tho. So inshallah we will discuss tomorrow different between the two letters. What are? So inshallah this will be pronounced. This will be discussed tomorrow inshallah. Okay, Zahid, are you understanding? Okay. This is zo. Zo. Zo is bold, and its place of pronunciation is this, that the front corner of tongue will be between the two teeth, like it will come out of toward the lip side, and this will be bold, like zo, 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 zo. So it has one dot upside, that is its recognition. So the next one is we have here, that is ain. Ain, it is okay. Just this line we will complete inshallah. Then we will do tomorrow. Ain, there is ain. So ain, it is also mid letter of our throat. So like ha, we read ha, and this is also ain. Ain, it will also be pronounced when we will enclose our throat. Ain, ain. It has no dot. It is its recognition. Next one is ghain. Ghain is also throat letter. Yes, ghain is also throat letter, but it has one dot upside, and it is upper part of throat letter. Ghain, like kha. Kha and ghain, they have same pronunciation place. Ghain. Next one is fa. Fa has one dot upside, and its recognition is this, it has one dot upside, and the pronunciation place is this, that upside root will touch to the downside lip, then this will be pronounced fa, 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 like this. Okay, inshallah we will meet tomorrow, and I think you have understood, so you have to practice this one. Tomorrow inshallah I will ask you the different and how we will pronounce them. So please read it again and again, practice it, and we will meet inshallah tomorrow. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.